It is 12th July 2024. On Netflix, they released a South African movie today called LOBOLA Men. What do you think about the movie? Okay, let's get to it. Sikhulume ngayo and see if it's worth the watch or not. We meet again. Welcome to my channel, Bafethu Kamangu Azate. Thank you so much for coming through, and thank you for the support. Please don't forget to subscribe on the channel. Okay, so in movie Bafethu LOBOLA Men came through, which stars Lawrence Maleka benokwanele Mthethwa as abantu aba who think they are in love but they are not in love, or they are not in love but they are in love. Hey, it's a twist and turn. But basically, just to give you an idea, the movie is almost the same as a movie by Kevin Hart in Wedding Ringer. Do you remember the movie Wedding Ringer, Kevin Hart? I think that's where Zama Oguba is best man for the guy who doesn't have any friends. So Lawrence Maleka also here acts as a person who organizes abantu ukuthi bashade, like he's a lobola man. So he goes on behalf of the guy, I'm represented lapho beya khona, and then he must say khuluma indaba zomalobolo and whatnot. You understand? Until he gets hired by this guy, lo mjitelo kaMahlangu Nyamazi. I think he used to act kwilento kuma shows khona on Netflix, like about how to ruin, how to ruin Christmas, how to ruin love. The proposer, I think he's also there, like the guy who acts with Timbis on Mzansi Magic. But anyways, he's the guy who hires Lawrence Maleka to actually try and assist him in terms of being that family member as umlungisela indaba zomalobolo with intombi yakhe ekuthiwa ubani ukwanele Mthethwa. Obviously Lawrence Maleka hires a team ezomsiza ngayo yonke le shebang there. Qasha abantu. There's quite a lot of actors that are right esiwaziyo. Anyways, I will hire to some season, and I'm not gonna say the whole thing. Because I want to give you an idea if it is a nice movie or not. But it's actually a nice movie because some parts of it were shot in Joburg, some parts of it were shot in Durban. Baningi abantu abakhona phana, ukhona uThemba Ndaba, ukhona uNimrod Kosi. Oh my gosh. Oh, Magabahumi upalisa ngimbonile laphana ukhona naye. It was a happy movie. It was a happy movie. I think for a while siyabonga ukuthi asitholanga movie ekhuluma ngendaba zoma-apartheid. I mean, okay, fine. Kwenzeka, but not every movie should be about that now. I mean, come on, It was a happy movie. It was a nice movie. If you're looking for something light and othando with a bit of jokes, if you go and watch Wedding Ringer Kevin Hart, and if you did love it, then you're definitely gonna love this one. It doesn't have as much jokes, but if you loved that type of movie, then definitely you're gonna love this one. Lawrence Maleka has become a really seasoned actor. Yeah, so I love his work. I believe this is gonna be my first time in movie. But for me, this was his first movie. Anyways, I think that's about it. Perfect. Sikhuluma nge LOBOLA Men. Here are my thoughts. Out of 10, I can give it a good 7.5. A good 7. It's just a good one. It's a good one. I can give it a good 7.5. I can highly recommend it. It's a beautiful movie. Let's give them those hours, because also Netflix works on hours, just like how YouTube works on hours for people to get paid and so forth and whatnot. So also go out and watch it. If you get the time this weekend, even better, land it on the top 10. It has not landed just yet. The last time I checked on top 10 movies playing on Netflix, it has not landed. But I believe by Monday, it could be on the top 5, at least on the top 5. I need it to be there. It's okay, people are actually watching this. So please, let's go out and watch this movie on Netflix. So thank you so much for coming through, and please don't forget to subscribe and press that like button and that bell button for you to get the notifications.